With a wide range of innovative functions available, fully understanding each setting on your AEG combination microwave oven will help you to get the most out of your appliance. Here, we'll explain the different functions and icons, but bear in mind that not all appliances will feature all of these options. Enter the microwave menu and you'll come to the pure microwave functions first. When using these functions, make sure that all metal accessories other than the shelf supports have been removed, and be sure to always use microwave-safe cookware. Food should always be placed onto cookware or the glass tray provided with some appliances, rather than directly onto the base of the cavity. First is the defrost setting, which is low and gentle with wattage between 100 to 200. Next is the reheat setting, which is ideal for heating up leftovers or pre-prepared meals and has wattage options between 300 to 700. And finally, a liquid function with wattage between 800 to 1000 watts. This is ideal for heating hot drinks or soups. When using any of these functions, we recommend turning or stirring halfway through. However, some models may instead feature a pure microwave function, with options between 100 to 600 watts, and a microwave max option up to 1000. In your microwave menu, you'll also find the combi quick options. When using these settings, your wire shelves and trays can remain in the oven, but microwave-safe cookware must still be used. By combining microwaves with oven functions, Combi Quick settings reduce cooking time by up to half, help to add moisture to your dish, and can be used to cook anything you'd cook in an oven. Standard Combi Quick functions include True Fan, which is your default combi setting and is great for everyday food you would normally cook in the oven. Conventional cooking, which is ideal for one-shelf roasting and baking. A grill function, which is perfect for browning, melting cheese and cooking food in a short time, and the Turbo Grill Combi function, which combines microwaves, grill and fan and is great for roasting joints of meat and browning dishes. On some models, like this rotary dial oven, the microwave function can be combined with any of the heating functions. You simply need to select the heating function, press the microwave button to activate the combi mode, and then set the wattage and oven temperature. You'll find further information on the different cooking functions in your user manual, as well as information on ideal cooking temperatures, shelf positioning, and cooking duration for a range of recipes. Or, if you need any more help or advice, our consumer care team will be happy to help.